So I'm now on the leg extension machine, and the leg extension machine, you can see on the diagram, works your quadriceps, which is the front of the thighs. So adjusters, got my weight stack adjuster, I've got my back support adjuster. So first one I do there is squeeze that in, push the chair back. It's a bit old and stiff, this one. Let's give it a good yank, and just make sure the back of the knees are resting on this pad here. So I don't want a gap there. Sitting back, back's well supported. And I want to start this one with my knees as flexed as I can. So push that handle in, and that's pretty much as far as it will go. That is as far as it will go. So my knees are very flexed, and I'm good to go. So just watch me. Okay, so all I'm doing is extending my knees, pushing my toes up towards the ceiling, and they're just lowering that back under control. Just like the leg curl machine, you sit right back in the chair so your back's well supported. You just keep hold of those handles. All right, so that is isolating my quadriceps on the leg extension.